Les catches customer in a lie.
Why should I have to pay you anything extra?
Because that's what the policy is. It clearly states on the receipt that there's a $1 service charge. Bring me the receipt. You don't have to bring me any
I
extra.
don't have a receipt. Give me my product.
I don't have to do anything.
The following customer started to throw a massive tantrum.
Bring me
You
the
got to do
receipt.
something?
I am doing something.
You're taking $1 from me by trickery.
By trickery.
And that's what I owe you for your product.
Plus a $1 service charge for not having your receipt.
Then it's $1.
You should have said that verbally to me.
$1 service charge if you don't have the receipt.
This customer was just being extremely impatient and couldn't understand the fact he needed to pay.
So you're going to say, F me as a customer that has been buying for you for 10, 12 years, and I don't want to do no more business with you.
I apologize.
All right? I know you don't give a because you make enough money. But for $1?
This guy's making this big of a stink over $1.
Give me $1. I'm going to give you the $1. It's policy of the store, and you know who made that policy? Me.
There's your receipt.
All right, buddy.
Here's your change.
The customer was just being a huge baby about this situation. Regardless, Les paid the fee for the customer, which was nice of him. Les didn't want to lose a loyal customer. Old fan.
What's up, baby? You all right?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Hey, I'm straight, man. I'm bugging out. It's brand new, man. It's 40 bucks.
Still wrapped up in...
Well, I mean, you know, I opened it. I had to, you know what I'm saying, make sure it was working.
The heater's in the worst condition. The guy's obviously full of Where was this? Outside
It
the
was-
dumpster? How am I supposed to sell it?
This next customer was looking to get money for an old beat-up fan he had, which was in bad condition.
But look at it. It's melted there, too.
That's not... All right, give me 20, man.
Maybe your room's gonna be a little bit cold.
Oh, now you got Joe.
I'm not interested.
Man, give me $10, man. Damn. You're acting like an ass.
I'm acting like an ass.
Seth attempted to explain things to the customer.
Man, listen. I'm almost done here, man. I ain't going nowhere, man. All right. Bring you my heater. You gonna make me go up in here, man. It wasn't wet when I brought it in.
Right in now, bro.
Drunk in that. Damn, man.
The customer started to take things too far when he started to scream at Seth. Security kicked him out. TV drama.
Oh, hell no. Excuse me. Bitch, you hear me? I said hold the door and you ain't hold the door.
Oh, well, you
Up
paid
top. Bitch, you broke my TV.
Hey.
So it's her fault?
It's her fault.
The following customer started to cause a scene after she dropped a TV and then proceeded to blame another customer.
So where is the TV broken?
You want to come take a look? It's cracked.
Okay, so what do you want me to do about it? Go get a new one or bring in something that's worth money and stop assuming that somebody's gonna hold the door open for you.
You broke it, bitch.
Stop.
I want my money.
Hey,
You feel me?
how dare you come in my store and make a huge scene?
Ashley was in no mood to deal with such petty interactions, and she proceeded to question the woman. Things soon got very heated.
I'm
not going nowhere.
There you are. Out that door.
Bitch, like I said, home. Bitch, you don't touch me. You is the type that will get smacked.
Really?
Really. Y'all got me up in this bitch.
Okay, take it out. Be careful. Get off our property now.
Bitch, property, bitch.
Now.
This what I would have did to you if you would have came close.
The two customers started to go at each other, but the woman took things too far when she began to threaten Ashley. She was promptly kicked out of the pawn shop by Ashley and the security. Xbox deal?
Hey, how you doing?
Hi, how are you?
I'm all right. My girlfriend, she came up. Yeah, we got into an argument. I woke up and wasn't there.
Okay, you get the ticket?
No. I can tell you her name.
This next customer wanted to get money for an Xbox he had.
No.
So here's what you can do.
I would like my 360. No.
wanna listen?
You can just give me my 360.
No, I'm not just gonna give you your 360. You done?
Y'all just need to have me my because I'm gone. I just have
No.
Can I just have my? Well, let me just look for one that I want to grab.
Okay, you go that way.
Ashley attempted to help out the customer, but he didn't have the ticket, and there was nothing that she could do here.
Wait, right
What on
here,
360?
$200.
No, I can grab one for free.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you
can
heard.
do what? Get him. Now. Hey!
Get out of here.
Get the out. Get out of my face. My store. I've never seen somebody jump in a barrel. I've seen some crazy.
The customer crossed the line when he said he was going to rob one of the pawn shop's systems, which wasn't going to fly. Bro really started to hide in a barrel.
Terry Awesome.
How you doing?
All right. And I came to get my ring, my computer, and my 60-inch TV.
Give me your tickets.
We've been moving
Terry Awesome strolls into the store looking to reclaim her stuff, but she's acting a bit shady.
ever since I've been putting my in here, so.
This girl smelled like a brewery. And she didn't have her ID and her ticket.
Come in here like every week on Saturday.
Really? What's my name?
The lady starts spinning this wild tale saying she doesn't have any receipts because she's been bouncing from place to place.
You're acting like you don't know who the hell I am. I'm not heard about you. Now come on with my Where is it?
Bring me your ticket. I'll give it to you. Bring me your ID.
Mother, what the When I come in this bitch to pay you your money, I'm taking my money, you
You ain't gonna call me that
Give me that When I come to pay you, I don't get all the mother.
After that, the woman completely flips out. She starts yelling and throwing a full-blown tantrum. Normally, Les stays chill and lets security handle these kinds of folks.
You want my mother money?
How dare she call me that in my store? I won't stand for that.
You ain't gonna call me that. You understand
I
me?
said go, I want my stuff.
You ain't getting nothing.
I can put up with a lot of but that woman cannot call me that. I jumped over the counter. I got her ass out.
Les kicks her out of the pawn shop and you'd think that'd be the end of it. But this was just the beginning. Once she's outside in the parking lot, she continues her tantrums.
I got a piss, real piss.
She pulls her pants down and pees in my parking lot.
You right, my motherfucking name.
What the is wrong with this woman?
T-E-R. I'm leaving, I'm leaving. Bitch, get it.
She pissed right there?
Yeah, she really went there. You've got to feel for Les. Can you imagine handling someone like that? And just when you think it's over, she's not done yet. The woman decides to take it up a notch. Clothing fight.
This is my jacket. No. You didn't have your hands on it?
No,
she didn't have it in her hand. She didn't have it in her hand.
It's actually mine.
She was down there, and she just grabbed it out of my hand like she said, oh, this is my jacket. You should have kept it in your hand.
That's why
you should have kept it in your hand.
We're not running a daycare. We are running a pawn shop.
So what? Hey, just moved that jacket right here, and I was just about to get it.
We're off to a crazy start without wasting any time in this one. It seems like two customers are fighting over some clothes. Seeing all the fuss, Ashley decides to take the matter in her own hands.
I put it there for a reason.
You cannot touch a customer. Nobody's taking the coat home. Out. Nobody's gonna get the coat.
Yeah, whatever. No, you. Tell you, I'm gonna kick your ass in this parking lot.
You. Whatever, bitch.
They're like children. We're not running a daycare.
The customers continue to argue, and it seems like there's no way to stop them. Ashley decides it's better to lose out on any business these two may bring than have them fight in the store.
Get out my face.
That way.
I'll be back.
That way.
I would have took off my belt and gave him one of those.
You guys.
This was one of the pettiest arguments featured on the show.
On counter.
I found my computer. I wanted to come and get my hard drive from it. I got stuff on it.
Once it's in pawn, my employees cannot go back there
and I ain't leaving until I get it.
This guy casually walked up to the pawn counter.
I'm sorry. If you want to get it out, I'll be more than happy to get it to you.
Yeah, I want to get it out. I don't want to get the money.
When you pawn something, it's ours until you pay back the loan.
I'm about to get pissed off.
Even though Les was very clear with his words, the man didn't seem to get it.
I just told you.
That's a bull, dog. I need my hard drive, dog. It is gonna happen, dog. Give me my mother, dog. Give me my dog.
We're short-staffed. Damn it! And stop swearing at me, mother. No.
You think you tough because you behind this glass?
He's going out, dog.
Get off him.
Eventually, Les got tired of it too and showed the guy that if he's going to act like this, he won't get his hard drive, just a faceplant into the road. Payment window.
She just sent me over here to get my money, the ticket for my PS3. Give me my $80, man, so I can go.
My system says he already did.
I didn't pick up.
Not many people pull up to the payment window as worried as this guy did.
I didn't pick up. Give me my $80 so I can go.
Time for him to go.
And you gonna stand at the glass? Give me my.
Shut up and get to work.
Oh, be quiet.
They see right through scams like this, so it's not surprising that he didn't get the $80. The jewelry.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Do you have a lot of silver on sale?
I want you to quit.
Here is another customer demanding for me to quit.
This guy came into the shop, but instead of browsing for jewelry,
I want my 20%. Quit.
Who the hell do you think you are? Really?
Quit.
Or what?
He ain't gonna help you.
Quit!
I'm not quitting!
to make matters worse, he started yelling and screaming at Ashley.
Get out of my store!
I'm not going nowhere. Let's go, buddy.
I'm that way!
Misplaced.
Did you see that guy?
With how crazy loud everything got, Ashley didn't even have to signal security. Line drama.
I'm here to get my out of the little way, and I want my out of here. There's my ID. So what you gonna do about that? I'm in a rush. You're making me miss my hair appointment. I need it now.
When Marcus first walked up to the window and I didn't have...
This customer struts on over to the front of the line. It's Rich's lucky day.
I would say that he passed for a woman. When I saw the ID, I knew for sure. This is a guy.
I need to hurry the up and click my...
Things aren't gonna be a good.
I don't give a... Do your job.
Rich has had a long day, and the realization that this agitated woman is actually Marcus.
Why are you talking like that here?
You don't have anything to do with that.
I'm Ashley. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I don't need to shake your hand. I don't give a if I didn't pay on. I tried to, and y'all mother didn't accept.
Your wedding band has been pulled. You haven't paid out.
What do you mean pulled? No, you need to find my...
Ashley hears the commotion and comes to the front of the store, hoping to ease the tension. Marcus loves the drama.
Her stuff isn't here anymore. It's past due. You will not talk to any of my employees like that. She's ready to leave.
Touch me if you want to. Oh, so now you're gonna come from behind the counter.
This time, I killed 2 birds with 1 stone.
Bye.
Marcus can't comprehend the single rule of pawning an item. If you don't pay for it, you can't get it back. Monitor deal.
How you doing? We got my security just let you walk in with a gas can. Where's the rest of the computer?
This all I got.
Promise you're just bringing me a monitor from like 10 years ago.
So how much does this work?
Nothing.
This guy walks into the store with 2 items. A monitor that looks like it was the first one ever to be built.
Bring me the rest of the computer, I can help you out.
Nah, you telling me you can't take the
Well, it's not being taken because it's old. So, I mean, I'm not very good at math, but I think that's...
It's 05 though.
To prove his point, Seth shows the guy the computer's manufacturing date back in 2005.
About $20 a
Sure, so good luck. Try selling any place.
You're gonna see.
Or I'm gonna see. What am I gonna see? You're gonna come to my store and demand that I take your merchandise? Out of here.
You gonna come around the counter and make me?
As is the case with every customer who doesn't get their way on Hardcore Pawn, this guy isn't going away without a fight.
Get out.
I want you. Hold on. Y'all some bitches. I know. You. Look, this is how they treat people when they try to bring something back. American jewelry alone. You. So what you gonna do? I'm gonna stay here.
We're not gonna do
I guess we're gonna be here all night then.
I just can't move the merchandise. I think that's what people don't understand.
Not only does he think his beat up monitor is worth $1 million, not only is he threatening to throw hands at Seth, but this guy has mustered up the sheer audacity to pick a fight with security too. Coat deal.
How are you doing?
All right, how are you?
I came to redeem my coat.
Thank you.
Thank you. I miss my baby. Where's my baby? Oh, here, hon. Oh, excuse me. And this smell like feet.
This woman came into the pawn shop to redeem her coat. Okie dokie. That sounds simple enough. Just like that, she got her coat back too.
I mean, what's going on back here? My coat's in storage, sweetheart. It was smelling like rose.
Would you like me to spray some
Thank you
deodorant?
very much. I appreciate it.
Tell me what it smells like.
Oh, Lord Jesus, you about
The woman isn't all there, and Les catches on immediately. It's one thing to have to deal with a disgruntled customer.
Everybody in here, you gonna spray
Doesn't that
something
smell
on it?
good? Doesn't it smell good?
Smell like feet in there. Cause I got 2 for every day of the week. That don't smell like my coat. Okay?
This might just have been the easiest and slickest way Les has escorted someone out of the pawn shop. Just walked with the woman. Actual crimes on Hardcore Pawn.
I hear this eruption in the showroom floor.
And I'll be up there to meet you.
Quiet down, or time for you to leave.
I got you when you come out, sweet.
Let her ask me outside.
2 customers started to beef in the middle of the pawn shop. Seth wasn't gonna let this madness slide.
I got her ass when she come out.
The older woman was outside waiting on the younger one. It really got serious out there.
The customers took their drama outside the pawn shop.
Get your ass.
Walk up, bitch. Walk up, bitch. You raggedy bitch. Don't try me. Try me, bitch. And go keep trying. Call the army. Yes.
Watch out.
Oh my God.
Things got way too out of hand when one of the women pulled out a weapon in the middle of this altercation. Lackluster items.
It's a little dusty and all, but it's all right. I was saying for 75 for it, but I want 150 for it. If I want $150, they should give it to you if it's worth it.
What can I help you with?
How you doing, honey? I pawned it for 75 and I'm asking for 150.
The following customers entered the pawn shop with a rather lackluster item and they were looking for too much.
What do you need the money for?
Is that in your business?
I was just asking.
Tell me yes, no. We speaking together. We won. Who you want to talk to? You choosing. So who you want to talk to? Came, got it before.
Hey!
This customer was beyond entitled and was super annoying.
Hey!
Stop. Don't yell at me.
Don't yell at me.
This is my store.
Yeah.
Lower your
voice. Babe, okay.
Then go. The door's right there.
You don't have to touch me.
I didn't expect her to go off on me like that. How much more would you like?
$25 extra. Yes.
This customer just had zero patience and kept claiming she was grown despite acting like this. Ashley was frustrated.
I'll go $100 for you. We're cool. Oh, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
As Pac say, man against the world, everybody. Yeah, suck his ass too, damn it. Mother.
This woman just had zero chill and was rude. Police raid.
A lot of tickets that I don't have because my wallet got stolen. She gave me a slip with a note on.
Give me the ticket. I'll be more than happy to give you the earring. We told her to come back with the receipt, and that's what really set her off.
This next customer entered the pawn shop in a rage, claiming that the shop lost her earrings.
Do not touch
touch me. Don't touch me.
If they would have given her a repair, wouldn't she have the slip?
You gotta go back in there and pay on my TV.
Looked in
Did
this
you look at
vault,
all the
everything,
repair envelopes?
everything.
The man called me a liar, babe. I was talking common sense to that dude. Oh, I don't believe you. You lying to me.
This woman had no chill and she began to threaten the pawn shop. Her story just didn't make sense and Les was confused.
Like lying to him about something. Got him out.
Go out there.
All she needed was a receipt.
I swear to God, I'll wait till that man come out here and I will lay his mother
Robo comes across as a teddy bear.
down. I don't want to be calmed down.
Try to find your receipt.
This customer just lacked any sense of self-control and she said some pretty wild things. Security soon stepped in.
She miraculously found the lost receipt. You gotta tell her before she comes in if she starts me to death. Without a receipt, there's nothing we can do. I need to talk to her.
No matter what happens, just stay nice.
I'm on my way in.
Tell me what this means.
The back was repaired.
Okay.
The young lady that was right there
This
approved
letter
it.
right here. Paper that the woman brought back in showed that she paid for an item.
It didn't take long for the customer to return to the pawn shop. She was eventually able to find her receipt and she was expecting to get her items back from the pawn shop, but things got messy.
She's not here today. Come in tomorrow. If she remembers, I owe it to you. I have no problem making it right. If we made the mistake.
Les actually made an honest effort to help out this woman.
Yesterday, a woman came in and claimed that we lost and damaged her earring. So I told her to come back today to talk to the clerk.
You didn't give me my earrings back. It was like 3 stones missing.
Oh, yeah. She paid to take this item out.
Tell me what that
I
means.
think we ended up putting it on the back wall, and she was supposed to come back.
This woman just wouldn't stop and Les did everything in his power to help the customer out. Things soon got very hectic.
I don't remember about the missing diamond.
This only shows that you paid for this.
Ma.
We don't need help. You want me to walk away from you? Because I will. My children are here too, but that has no bearing on this. She's an adult.
She said she put it on the back wall.
It showed she redeemed the items. Okay, ma'am, thank you. You have to do whatever you need.
You ain't making it home to your wife tonight. I promise you.
The stories were just conflicting and things were honestly getting extremely confusing. The customer then called in her mother like a child and she was honestly the most annoying customer.
I promise you. I promise you.
I don't take that lightly. Robo, stop her! This is serious. What am I supposed to do? Nothing?
The customer made a serious threat to Les and Les didn't take this lightly.
My security staff let them leave. Came in yesterday. She said that she had a pair of earrings. In the pawn shop business, you wouldn't know how to handle it until it happened.
Just calm down right now.
Les could have very easily lost his life here, and I don't blame him for getting mad at the security team who failed big time.
The whole thing was up. Security did a job.
Robo, Steve, come here.
What the do you guys do? This is a
It's a crazy business. Who knows what's gonna happen?